English 6, Term 1, Week 3, Session 4. Denotative and connotative meaning of a word, and punctuation clues. Learning objectives. The learners are expected to identify the meanings of unfamiliar words using punctuation clues in sentences and informational text. Determine word meanings through context and punctuation marks, and show awareness of the importance of punctuation clues in understanding informational text accurately. It's spelling time. I will pronounce words that are related to the lesson for the day, and you will spell them out in your notebook. Number 1. Parenthesis. 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 Punctuation marks used to add extra information. Number 2. Predator. 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 An animal that hunts, catches, and eats other animals. Number 3. Exhausted. 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 Very tired, having no energy left. Number 4. Peninsula. 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 A piece of land surrounded by water on three sides but connected to a larger landmass. And number 5. Veterinarian. 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 A doctor who takes care of animals. Let us now have a review, directions, and circle the meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. Number 1. Bigamy, marriage to two spouses, is not legal in our country. Number 2. Archaeology is the scientific study of prehistoric culture. Number 3. After a heavy rain, the stream became murky. In fact, the water became cloudy. Number 4. The police should be notified, informed when a car accident takes place. And number 5. I wonder if that fruit is edible or can be eaten. Let us have another activity, directions, and circle the word or words that gives the meaning of the underlined words in the informational text below. Use punctuation marks as your guide. The solar system, a group of planets and other objects that orbit the sun, is part of a large galaxy. Earth, the planet where we live, is the third planet from the sun. The moon, a natural satellite that orbits Earth, reflects light from the sun. Asteroids, small rocky objects found mostly between Mars and Jupiter, travel through space. Comets, icy bodies that form long glowing tails when near the sun, move in long paths around the solar system. Readers can use clues of punctuation to infer meaning, such as commas, quotation marks, showing the word has a special meaning, dashes, and parentheses or brackets, enclosing a definition. What are punctuation clues? Sometimes writers explain unfamiliar words by using punctuation marks. Parentheses. They give extra information or definitions. For example, the peninsula, land surrounded by water on three sides, attracts many tourists. Commas. Words between commas often explain the unfamiliar word. For example, my uncle, a veterinarian, treats sick animals. Veterinarian means an animal doctor. Dashes. Dashes may introduce an explanation. For example, the hikers reached the summit, the highest point of the mountain. Summit means highest point. Number 4, colon. A colon may introduce a definition or list. For example, she packed the essential supplies: flashlight, water, food, and medicine. Essential means necessary. It's test time. Please get your notebooks and pens. Directions: encircle the words that give the meaning of the underlined word. Use punctuation marks as your guide. Number 1. The classroom was orderly, neat, clean, and well arranged. Number 2. The teacher gave instructions or directions before the activity started. Number 3. She showed great diligence, hard work, and careful effort in her studies. Number 4. The principal told everyone the new school rules. And number 5. The students showed cooperation, working together during the group project. Ways forward. Directions. Encircle the words that give the meaning of the underlined word. Use punctuation marks as your guide. The ocean is home to many marine creatures, animals that live in the sea, such as fish, whales, and corals. Some areas of the ocean are very deep, far below the surface of the water, and are difficult to explore. In these places, sunlight is scarce, very limited, or hard to find, so plants cannot grow easily. Many ocean animals are nocturnal, active at night, coming out only when it is dark. The water in deep parts of the ocean can be frigid, extremely cold, which makes survival challenging. Despite these conditions, life in the ocean is abundant, plentiful, and existing in large numbers, showing how diverse and amazing marine ecosystems are.